সম্মানিত ভিউয়ার্স, আমি ডক্টর রিমা আক্তার এফসিপিএস স্টাডি মেড ইজি পাওয়ার্ড বাই ডক্টরস ইন লাইভ ক্লাসে আপনাদের স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। আমাদের এই স্টাডি ক্লাসের উদ্দেশ্য হলো এফসিপিএস পার্ট 2 এক্সামের বিষয়ভিত্তিক বইসমূহ লাইন বাই লাইন পড়ে শোনানো এবং কিওয়ার্ডসমূহ মনে রাখার জন্য বাংলায় বুঝিয়ে বলা। আশা করি এতে আপনাদের যে কোনো টপিক্সের বিস্তারিত মনে রাখাটা সহজ হবে, ফলে পরীক্ষায় আরও সাহস নিয়ে অংশগ্রহণ করতে পারবেন। চলুন আজকে শুরু করা যাক। হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি ডাক্তার রিমা আক্তার বলছি। আজকে আমার ভিডিওটি থাকছে দত্ত অবস্টেটিক্স বইয়ের চ্যাপ্টার 1-এর আমাদের যে চ্যাপ্টারটা সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যানাটমি পড়ছি আমরা, আসলে ফিমেল জেনিটাল অর্গানের, রিপ্রোডাক্টিভ অর্গানের। আমরা আজকে পেজ নাম্বার 4-এর ইন্টারনাল জেনিটাল অর্গান শুরু করব। আমার আগের ভিডিওটাতে ছিল এক্সটার্নাল জেনিটাল অর্গান সম্বন্ধে, এখন আমি শুরু করব ইন্টারনাল জেনিটাল অর্গানস। আচ্ছা, the internal genital organs in female include vagina, uterus, fallopian tube and the ovaries. These organs are placed internally and require special instruments for inspection. Vagina. The vagina is a fibromusculomembranous sheath communicating the uterine cavity with the exterior at the vulva. It constitutes the excretory channel for the uterine secretion and menstrual blood. It is the organ of copulation and forms the birth canal of parturition. The canal is directed upwards and the backwards, forming an angle 45 degree with the horizontal in erect posture. The long axis of the vagina almost lies parallel to the plane of the pelvic inlet and at right angles to that of uterus. The diameter of the canal is about 2.5 cm, being widest in the upper part and narrowest at its introitus. It has got enough power of distensibility as evident during childbirth. আচ্ছা, ভ্যাজিনার এখন ওয়াল সম্বন্ধে পড়ব। ওয়াল. Vagina has got an anterior, posterior, two lateral walls. The anterior and posterior walls are opposed together, but the lateral walls are comparatively stiffer, especially at its middle. As such, it looks H-shaped on transverse section. The length of the anterior wall is 7 cm and that of the posterior wall is 9 cm. আচ্ছা, fornices. The fornices are the clefts formed at the top of vagina, that means wall, due to the projection of the uterine cervix through the anterior vaginal wall, where it is blended in separately with its wall. There are 4 fornices, 1 anterior, 1 posterior and 2 lateral. The posterior one being deeper and the anterior most shallow one. Relations. Anteriorly, এটা কিসের সাথে রিলেশন? The upper 1/3 is related with the base of the bladder and the lower 2/3 are with the urethra, the lower half of which is firmly embedded with its wall. Posterior. The upper 1/3 is related with the pouch of Douglas, middle third with anterior rectal wall separated by rectovaginal septum, and the lower third is separated from the anal canal by the perineal body. Lateral wall. The upper 1/3 is related to the pelvic cellular tissue at the base of broad ligament in which the ureter and the uterine artery lie approximately 2 cm from the lateral fornices. The middle third is blended with the levator ani and the lower third is related with the buvocavernous muscle, vestibular valves and Bartholin glands. Structures. Layers from within outwards are: number 1, mucous coat, which is lined by stratified squamous epithelium without any secreting glands. Number 2, subcutaneous layer, submucous layer of loose areolar vascular tissues. Number 3, muscular layer consisting of distinct inner circular and outer longitudinal muscles. Number 4, fibrous coat derived from the endopelvic fascia and is highly vascular. Vaginal secretion. The vaginal pH from puberty to menopause is acidic because of the presence of Doudonil's bacilli, which produce lactic acid from the glycogen present in the exfoliated cell. The pH varies with the estrogenic activity and ranges between 4 and 5. Vaginal blood supply key. The anteriors involved are number 1, cervicovaginal branch of uterine artery. Number 2, vaginal artery, a branch of anterior division of internal iliac or in common origin with the uterine. Number 3, middle rectal. Number 4, internal pudendal. These anastomose with one another and form two azygous arteries, anterior and posterior. Veins drain into internal iliac veins and internal pudendal veins. Lymphatics. On each side, the lymphatics drain into number 1, upper 1/3 internal iliac group, number 2, middle 1/3 up to hymen internal iliac group, number 3, below the hymen superficial inguinal group. Nerve supply. The vagina is supplied by sympathetic and parasympathetic from the pelvic plexus. The lower part is supplied by the pudendal nerve. Development. The vagina is developed from the following sources. Number 1, upper 4/5 above the hymen. The mucous membrane is derived from endoderm of the canalized sino-vaginal valves. The musculature is developed from the mesoderm of two fused Mullerian ducts. Number 2, lower 1/5 below the hymen is developed from the endoderm of the urogenital sinus. Number 3, external vaginal orifice is formed from the genital form ectoderm after rupture of the uterogenital membrane. Uterus. The uterus is hollow pyriform muscular organ situated in the pelvis, between the bladder in front and the rectum behind. Position. Its normal position is one of the anteversion and anteflexion. The uterus usually inclines to the right, dextrorotation, so that the cervix is directed to the left, levorotation, and comes in close relation with the left ureter. Measurements and parts. The uterus measures about 8 cm long, 5 cm wide at fundus, and its walls are about 1.25 cm thick. Its weight varies 50 gram to 80 gram. It has got the following parts: body or corpus, isthmus, and cervix. Number 1, body or corpus. The body is further divided into fundus, the part which lies above the opening of the uterine tubes. The body proper is triangular and lies between the opening of the tubes and the isthmus. The superolateral angles of the body of the uterus projects outwards from the junction of the fundus and body and is called the cornua of uterus. The uterine tube, round ligament, and ligament of ovary are attached to it. Number 2, isthmus is a constricted part measuring about 0.5 cm, situated between the body and the cervix. It is limited above by the anatomical internal os and below by the histological internal os. Some consider isthmus as a part of the lower portion of the body of the uterus. Number 3, cervix is a cylindrical in shape and measures about 2.5 cm. It extends from the isthmus and ends at the external os, which opens into the vagina after perforating its anterior wall. The part lying above the vagina is called supravaginal, and that which lies within vagina is called the vaginal part. Cavity. The cavity of uterine body is triangular on coronal section with the base above and the apex below. It measures about 3.5 cm. There is no cavity in the fundus. The cervical canal is fusiform and measures about 2.5 cm. Thus, the normal length of the uterine cavity is usually 6.5 to 7 cm. Relations. Anteriorly related, above the internal os, the body forms the posterior wall of the uterovesical pouch. Below the internal os, it is separated from the base of the bladder by loose areolar tissue. Posteriorly, it is covered with peritoneum and forms the anterior wall of the pouch of Douglas containing coils of intestine. Laterally, it's related, the double fold of peritoneum of the broad ligament are attached, between which the uterine artery ascends up. Attachment of the McEnroth's ligament extends from the internal os down to the supravaginal cervix and the lateral vaginal wall. About 1.5 cm away at the level of internal os, a little nearer on the left side is the crossing of uterine artery and the ureter. The uterine artery crosses from above and in front of the ureter, soon before the ureter enters the ureteric tunnel. আচ্ছা, এখন আমরা ইউটেরাসের পার্টগুলো পড়ব, স্ট্রাকচারস। আমরা জানি যে সবচেয়ে বড় যে পার্টটা সেটা হচ্ছে ফান্ডাস, বডি অ্যান্ড সার্ভিক্স। আচ্ছা, এখন বডি সম্বন্ধে পড়ব। দ্য ওয়াল কনসিস্ট অফ 3 layers from outside inward. Parametrium. It is the serous coat which invests the entire organ except on the lateral borders. The perineum is intimately adherent to the underlying muscles. Myometrium. It consists of thick bundles of smooth muscle fiber held by connective tissues and are arranged in various directions during pregnancy. However, 3 distinct layers can be identified: outer longitudinal, middle interlacing, and the inner circular. Endometrium. The mucous lining of the cavity is called endometrium. As there is no submucous layer, the endometrium is directly opposed to the muscle coat. It consists of lamina propria and surface epithelium. The surface epithelium is a single layer of ciliated columnar epithelium. The lamina propria consists stromal cell, endometrial gland, vessels, and nerves. The glands are simple tubular and lined by mucus secreting non-ciliated columnar epithelium, which penetrate the stroma and sometimes even enter the muscle coat. The endometrium is changed to decidua during pregnancy. আচ্ছা, এখন সার্ভিক্স সম্বন্ধে পড়ি। The cervix is composed mainly of fibrous connective tissues. The smooth muscle fibers average 10 to 15%. Only the posterior surface has got peritoneal coat. Mucous coat lining the endocervix is simple columnar with basal nuclei, and that lining the glands is non-ciliated secretory columnar cells. The vaginal part of the cervix is lined by stratified squamous epithelium. The squamo-columnar junction is situated at the internal os. আচ্ছা, secretion. The endometrial secretion is scanty and watery. Secretion of the cervical gland is alkaline and thick, rich in mucoprotein, fructose, and sodium chloride. আচ্ছা, peritoneum in relation to uterus. Traced anteriorly, the peritoneum covering the superior surface of the bladder reflects over the anterior surface of the uterus at the level of internal os. The pouch so formed is called uterovesical pouch. The peritoneum thereafter is firmly attached to the anterior and posterior walls of the uterus and upper 1/3 of the posterior vaginal wall, where it is reflected over the rectum. The pouch so formed is called pouch of Douglas. Traced laterally, আমরা যদি পেরিটোনিয়ামকে laterally traced করি, the adherent peritoneum of the anterior and posterior wall of the uterus is continuous laterally, forming the broad ligament. Laterally, it extends to the lateral pelvic walls, where the layers reflect to cover the anterior and posterior aspect of the pelvic cavity. On its superior free border lies the fallopian tube, and on the posterior layer the ovary is attached with mesoovarium. The lateral 1/4 of the free border is called infundibulopelvic ligament. Blood supply. Arterial supply. The blood supply is from uterine arteries, one on each side. The artery arises directly from anterior division of internal iliac or in common with superficial vesical artery. The other sources are ovarian and vaginal arteries, with which the uterine arteries anastomose. The internal supply of the uterus is shown in figure. Veins. The veins channel correspond to the arterial course and drain into the internal iliac veins. Lymphatic. Body. Number 1. From the fundus and upper part of the body of the uterus, the lymphatics drain into pre-aortic or lateral aortic group of glands. Number 2. Cornu drains to superficial inguinal gland along the round ligament. The lower part of the body drains into external iliac group. Cervix. On each side, the lymphatics drain into number 1. External iliac obturator lymph node, either directly or through paracervical lymph nodes. Number 2. Internal iliac groups. Number 3. Sacral groups. Nerves. The nerve supply of the uterus is derived principally from the sympathetic system and partly from parasympathetic system. Sympathetic components are from T4 and T6 motor and T10 to L1 spinal segment sensory. The somatic distribution of uterine pain is that area of the abdomen supplied by T10 to L8. The parasympathetic system is represented on either side by the pelvic nerve, which consists of both motor and sensory fibers from S2, S3, S4 and ends in the ganglia of Frankenhauser. The details are described in chapter later on. The cervix is insensitive to touch, heat and also when it is grasped by any instrument. The uterus too is insensitive to handling and even to incision over its wall. Development. The uterus is developed from the fused vertical part of the two Mullerian ducts. আচ্ছা, আজকে আমার এই ভিডিওটা এখানে শেষ করব। আমার নেক্সট ভিডিও শুরু হবে ফেলোপিয়ান টিউব থেকে।